Hey everybody, my name's Gene Jonas. I'm a farmer here in South Central New Hampshire. I'd like to talk to you today about the EATS Act. It stands for Ending Agricultural Trade Suppression. If enacted, this piece of legislation would basically strip states' rights to make agricultural policies within their own borders. This top-down approach is not something farmers like us need right now. The EATS Act would override a state's laws and protect things like public health, animal welfare, and the environment. These corporations have already monopolized different sectors of the ag economy. This is mostly due to lack of antitrust legislation enforcement. That original antitrust legislation that was put forth in the early part of the 20th century was put there to save democracy. Well, in the 1980s, a man named Robert Bork, a lawyer, worked for Ronald Reagan, had a different idea. He said corporations should get as big as they want, gobble up their competitors and become behemoths, so long as consumer prices weren't affected. Well, that's where we're at today. We got all these giant corporations. They've gotten huge. They've monopolized all these different sectors in our economy. Who does it benefit? Afraid not the consumer. All right, so, I just happened to finish reading a book called Status Quo. It's written by Matt Kennard and Claire Provost. In that book, they talk about, among other things, how corporations nowadays have the right to sue entire countries' governments if those governments put laws in place that prohibit those corporations from maximizing their profits. This is what the EATS Act would do too. Okay? Examples are if a state had a law against spraying a particular kind of pesticide or pesticides in and around near schools where kids play in the playground and go to school, the EATS Act may nullify and make illegal that state's laws in order to sell more chemicals. They've had their pockets and profits even more. This has got to stop. This get big or get out thing, everything's getting bigger and bigger. Farms are getting bigger. Doesn't mean people are eating any healthier. We got more health problems now in our country than probably ever before. But anyway, I digress a little, sorry. I urge all of you to go to the website, www.defeateats.com. Contact your legislators too if you can, and tell them vote no on the EATS Act. Tell them Farmer Gene sent you.